If you're looking to monetize your WordPress site or simply want an easy, reliable way to manage your ads, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through installing and setting up the Ad Inserter plugin, one of the most powerful tools for effortlessly adding and controlling advertisements on your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to install Ad Inserter, add your ad codes, and control where ads show up for maximum impact. Let's jump straight in. First things first, we need to get the plugin onto your site. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the command center where you manage everything on your site. On the left sidebar, look for plugins and click Add New. This brings up the plugin directory, almost like an app store for your site. In the search bar at the top right, type in Ad Inserter. You'll likely see a few results, so make sure you locate the one simply called Ad Inserter with the right icon and description. Then click Install Now. WordPress will handle the technical bits, and in just a few moments you'll see the Activate button appear. Click that, and congratulations, Ad Inserter is now ready to use. Now that the plugin's active, let's access its settings. Go back to your WordPress sidebar and look under the Settings menu for Ad Inserter. This is where all the magic happens. You'll land on the main dashboard. It might seem a bit technical at first glance, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each section. Think of this area as your ad control room, where you'll decide what ads show up and exactly where they appear. Ad Inserter uses blocks to manage your ads. If you're familiar with organizing files into folders, these blocks work the same way. Each one can hold a different ad, letting you organize campaigns or test placements. With the free version, you get up to 16 blocks, which is plenty for most sites. To get started, pick any block you want by clicking on its numbered tab along the top. Let's say 1 for your first ad. In the Big Code Editor field, paste in the ad code you got from your network, like Google Adsense or Amazon Associates. This code is what actually displays the ad on your site. It can be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or whatever your network provided. For easy reference, consider renaming the block. Just click on the block's name near the top. Trust me, this will save you time later, especially if you run lots of ads. When you're done, don't forget to hit Save Settings so your changes stick. Next up, let's decide exactly where your ad will be displayed. Right below the code editor, you'll spot several options for configuring ad placement. Ad Inserter supports both automatic and manual placement, so you've got loads of flexibility. If you'd like the plugin to handle things, choose from the automatic insertion drop-down. Options include placing ads before a post, after a certain paragraph, or before comments, among others. This is perfect for hands-off ad management, and you can specify, for example, after paragraph 2 if you want the ad to appear partway through your content. If you need more precise control, like putting an ad in your sidebar or a certain spot on a particular page, use manual options. You can add an Ad Inserter widget to any widget area via Appearance Widgets, and simply select which block to display. It's as easy as dragging and dropping, like rearranging icons on your smartphone. Alternatively, you can insert ads anywhere in your content using a shortcode. Just use ad number equals X, swapping X for your block number. For advanced users, there's even a PHP function which opens up placement options if you're comfortable editing theme files. One handy feature is the ability to control which page types show the ad. Choose posts, static pages, your homepage, category pages, and more with some simple checkboxes. And that covers the basics. Give yourself a moment to make sure everything looks good and preview your site to check the ad placements. Remember, experimenting with different positions or block organization can help maximize your ad revenue and enhance your visitor experience. If anything seems off, don't worry, you can come back to the dashboard and tweak settings as much as you like. If this tutorial helped you get your ads running smoother with Ad Inserter, be sure to hit that like button. Got questions, stuck on a step, or have tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. I'll read and reply to as many as I can. And if you want more WordPress tips and tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy site monetizing.